Are you looking for the best Wi-Fi mirror dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Wi-Fi mirror dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. The WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam is a great choice for drivers looking for a comprehensive rearview mirror camera. It features a 12-inch larger screen with a 2.5D curved screen, a 2160p front camera and 1080p rear camera, and enhanced night vision with WDR and HDR tech. It also has GPS tracking, 24H precise parking monitor, and a Type-C power supply. Customers have praised its easy installation and setup, but noted that the nighttime glare from other vehicles can wash out the image. What we like: 12-inch larger screen with a 2.5D curved screen, 2160p front camera and 1080p rear camera, enhanced night vision with WDR and HDR tech, GPS tracking, 24H precise parking monitor, Type-C power supply. Number 2. WOLFBOX G930 4K mirror dash cam. The WOLFBOX 4K mirror dash cam, model G930, is a smart rearview mirror camera that offers front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, with options to choose from 2.5K and 1080p for the front camera. The streaming media technology expands the visual range and effectively eliminates blind spots in the field of vision, providing a safer driving experience. The GPS tracking always-on feature allows you to view live speed and direction on the screen, and obtain valid GPS information by reviewing all recorded videos on the GPS player. The WDR tech balances the lights, providing clear visibility when driving at night. The parking monitoring mode provides enhanced security and peace of mind for your vehicle when parked, and the loop recording and G-sensor function provides continuous and secure recording monitoring while you are away. The Type-C interface can transmit higher rate, support higher current, and has a more refined and reliable structure. The package includes a free 32GB SD card and is backed by full 1-year warranty with 7 by 24 hours technical support. What we like: 4K and 1080p resolution, streaming media technology, GPS tracking always on, night vision and parking monitor, loop recording and G-sensor function. Number 3. WOLFBOX G850 Pro 4K mirror dash cam. The WOLFBOX G850 Pro dash cam is designed to enhance your driving experience with its advanced features. Its advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, alerts you to potential dangers, such as collisions and lane departures, ensuring safer travels. The blind spot detection, BSD, algorithm helps you monitor blind spots effectively, providing extra security during lane changes. With 4K dual-channel recording, you capture every detail in stunning clarity, whether it's bright sunlight or nighttime conditions. Plus, the upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows you to easily connect to the WOLFBOX app, making video sharing and management a breeze. What we like: high-definition recording, advanced safety alerts, easy video management, voice control functionality. Number 4. WOLFBOX G900 Tripro 4K 3-channel dash cam. The WOLFBOX G900 dash cam offers crystal clear 4K video from its front camera, using advanced imaging technology that improves night and low light visibility. This means you get sharp, detailed footage no matter the lighting conditions. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, its bumper-mounted rear camera is waterproof and captures unique angles, providing extra protection and terrain awareness during off-road adventures. The 3 cameras cover front, rear, and bumper views in high resolutions, ensuring comprehensive recording around your vehicle. Plus, with fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and voice control, you can easily review videos and operate the camera hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. What we like: high-resolution 4K front camera, waterproof bumper-mounted design, 3-channel video coverage, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, hands-free voice control. Number 5. WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro is an advanced mirror dash cam that enhances your driving experience. With its impressive front 4K and rear 2.5K resolution, you can capture every important detail on the road. The Starvis 2 IMX678 technology ensures excellent image quality, even in low-light situations, giving you confidence during night drives. Additionally, the high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows you to quickly connect to the WOLFBOX app, making it easy to download and share videos. Voice control features also let you manage functions hands-free, allowing you to focus on the road while still accessing essential features effortlessly. What we like: high-resolution video recording, excellent low-light performance, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, convenient voice control.